Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out your loyalty card on the Kiko Milano application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should wait till it's loaded in. It might take a few seconds, but then you should tap on the home button down below, marked with the A in the left side corner down below. Then click on this double K icon in the upper right corner of the screen. And here you can find your username at the top, your card number, and your code. As you can see, show this code to earn and use your kisses that you get when you purchase something, and here you can also see your level. So basically that's it. You can show it in stores as well, and when you order something it might be useful for you to earn more kisses. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.